Have you ever wondered why we call those crispy golden potato sticks French fries? It's a name that seems straightforward, but the real story behind it is full of surprises, and it actually starts far from France. The journey of French fries begins in the heart of Belgium, a country famous for its charming villages, rolling green fields, and rich culinary traditions. Despite the name, France isn't where this beloved snack was born. Back in the late 1600s, in the Meuse Valley of Belgium, villagers relied on the river for their daily meals. They would catch small fish, fry them up, and enjoy them as a staple food. This simple tradition brought families and neighbors together, especially during the long, cold winters. But when winter arrived and the river froze solid, fishing became impossible. The villagers had to get creative to fill their plates. They turned to potatoes, which were plentiful and easy to store through the winter. Slicing the potatoes into thin strips, they fried them just like they did with the fish, creating a delicious new dish that was warm, filling, and comforting. This clever substitute quickly became a local favorite. Families would gather around rustic tables, sharing plates of these crispy potato strips. Over time, fried potatoes became a beloved staple in Belgian homes, enjoyed by people of all ages. Fast forward to the early 20th century during World War I. American soldiers stationed in Belgium were introduced to these tasty fried potatoes. After long days, the soldiers would gather and enjoy this comforting snack, which reminded them of home-cooked meals. Here's where the name comes in. The Belgian army, and many locals, spoke French. When the Americans asked what these delicious fried potatoes were called, they heard the answer in French. So, the soldiers started calling them French fries, even though they were in Belgium. When the war ended, American soldiers brought the memory of this tasty treat back home. They shared stories of French fries with their families and friends, and soon, the name stuck. Across the United States, people began asking for French fries, and the snack quickly became a national favorite. Ironically, what started as a Belgian invention became known around the world as French fries. Today, people in nearly every country enjoy them, often without realizing their true Belgian roots. From fast food chains to gourmet restaurants, French fries have become a global favorite. They're served in countless styles with endless toppings and dips, and are loved by people of all ages and backgrounds. So next time you enjoy a plate of fries, remember, it all began with some resourceful Belgian villagers, a frozen river, and a clever idea on a cold winter's day. The story of French fries is a tale of creativity, tradition, and a little bit of linguistic confusion that turned a humble potato into a worldwide sensation. The journey of a French fry begins long before it reaches your plate, starting in the vast open fields where the humble potato is grown. These fields stretch for miles, their rich soil providing the perfect environment for potatoes to thrive. Here, dedicated farmers carefully select and plant special varieties like the Russet Burbank, chosen for their ideal texture, size, and flavor, making them perfect for crispy golden fries. Throughout the growing season, farmers monitor the plants closely, checking for healthy leaves and strong roots, ensuring each potato gets just the right amount of water and nutrients. Over several months, these potatoes slowly mature, drawing in nutrients from the earth and sunlight from above. As the days grow longer and warmer, the plants flourish, their green leaves soaking up the summer sun. By late summer or early autumn, the potatoes have reached their peak, plump and full of flavor, ready for harvest. When harvest time arrives, massive machines called potato harvesters roll into the fields. These impressive machines are designed to gently dig up the potatoes, lifting them from the soil while carefully separating them from dirt, rocks, and plant debris. The process is both efficient and gentle, ensuring the potatoes remain intact and undamaged. Once unearthed, the freshly harvested potatoes are loaded onto large lorries and transport vehicles. Workers handle them with care, knowing that even a small bruise can affect the quality of the final product. The journey from field to factory is a delicate one, with every effort made to protect the potatoes from bumps and bruises along the way. Quality is a top priority at every stage. In both the field and the factory, workers inspect the potatoes, removing any that don't meet strict standards. Only the best potatoes are chosen to continue their journey, ensuring that every fry starts with the finest ingredients. At the factory, the potatoes are carefully unloaded into enormous bins, marking the beginning of their transformation from raw produce to the fries we all love. This is where the magic truly begins, as the potatoes are prepared for the next steps in their journey. From here, the potatoes move along automated conveyor belts, passing through a series of high-tech machines that sort, clean, and prepare them for processing. Each step is designed to maintain the potatoes' freshness and quality, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. The transition from muddy field to sparkling modern factory is a crucial part of the process. It's here that tradition meets technology, blending age-old farming practices with state-of-the-art equipment to create the perfect fry. Every step along the way is carefully monitored by quality control teams. They inspect the potatoes as they move along the line, making sure only the best make it through. This attention to detail ensures that the fries you enjoy are always crisp, golden, and delicious. Soon these potatoes will be thoroughly washed and prepared for slicing, setting the stage for their transformation into the iconic French fries we all know and love. Once at the factory, potatoes need a deep clean. They arrive covered in soil and debris from the field. First, a dry cleaner with rollers and brushes knocks off most of the dirt. Next, a powerful water wash removes any remaining soil and gives them a final rinse. The water is often recycled, making the process sustainable. This cleaning ensures no grit or earth makes it further down the line. Modern technology has replaced the old laborious hand scrubbing. By the end, potatoes are spotless and ready for sorting. Cleanliness is the foundation for high-quality fries. After cleaning, potatoes are sorted by size, a key step for consistency. Vibrating grids or rollers separate large potatoes from small ones. Large potatoes are destined for classic long fries. Smaller ones are used for other products like hash browns or cubes. Sorting ensures each potato is used efficiently, with minimal waste. This smart engineering keeps the production line running smoothly. By sorting first, factories prevent blockages and ensure uniform fries. Every potato has a purpose, big or small. The right size heads to the next stage, peeling. Peeling thousands of potatoes by hand isn't practical, so factories use steam. Potatoes enter a pressurized vessel for a quick blast of steam, loosening the skins. A rotating drum with brushes then gently removes the loosened skins. This method preserves more potato flesh and reduces waste. The peeled potatoes emerge smooth and white. Peels aren't wasted. They're often turned into animal feed or renewable energy. Efficient peeling is both smart and sustainable. Now, the potatoes are ready for a final wash and inspection. Every step maximizes yield and minimizes waste. After peeling, potatoes get a final rinse to remove any lingering peel or starch. They travel along a conveyor under bright lights for inspection. Skilled workers scan for green spots, blemishes, or missed skin. Small knives trim away imperfections, saving as much good potato as possible. Potatoes with too many flaws are removed from the line. This manual check ensures only the best potatoes move forward. Machines handle the heavy work, but human eyes guarantee quality. It's a partnership of technology and craftsmanship. Only perfect potatoes reach the cutting stage. Quality control here sets the standard for the final fries. Now the transformation begins. Potatoes become fries. Factories use high-pressure water jets to shoot potatoes through sharp blades at incredible speed. This water gun system slices potatoes into uniform strips in seconds. Uniformity is crucial for even cooking. Some factories use rotary cutters, spinning potatoes against stationary blades. Both methods are fast and precise, producing millions of fries daily. The cut fries fall onto a conveyor, ready for inspection. The process is a marvel of food engineering. In moments, whole potatoes become familiar fry shapes. Next, it's time for high-tech quality control. Before cooking, fries pass through optical sorting machines for a final quality check. High-resolution cameras scan each fry, comparing them to ideal standards for length, shape, and color. Imperfect fries are instantly removed by a puff of air. This system is fast and incredibly accurate, ensuring only the best fries continue. Rejected fries aren't wasted, they're repurposed for other products or animal feed. Automated inspection guarantees consistency and quality. Only flawless fries move on to be cooked and frozen. Technology ensures every bag meets customer expectations. Quality control here is the last checkpoint before the final transformation. Now, the fries are ready for frying and freezing. The final steps in the journey of a French fry are perhaps the most crucial: frying. freezing, and packing. These processes transform simple potato strips into the crispy, golden fries we all know and love, while ensuring they stay fresh and delicious until they reach your plate. First, the fries are carefully lowered into massive industrial fryers filled with hot oil. This initial frying stage is brief but essential. The high temperature quickly cooks the outer layer, sealing in moisture, and creating that signature crispy exterior, while the inside remains soft and fluffy. This step is carefully timed and monitored to achieve the perfect texture and color. Once fried, the fries are lifted out and passed through a sophisticated oil draining system. Excess oil is removed to keep the fries from becoming greasy, and the oil itself is filtered and recycled for future batches, making the process both efficient and sustainable. Next, the fries travel along conveyor belts into a state-of-the-art freezing tunnel. Here they're flash frozen at extremely low temperatures in just a matter of minutes. This rapid freezing process locks in the fries' flavor, texture, and nutrients, preventing ice crystals from forming and ensuring they taste freshly made when cooked at home or in a restaurant. Food scientists and quality control experts regularly test the frozen fries to make sure each batch meets strict standards for taste, texture, and appearance. Quick freezing is key to preserving the fries' signature crunch and flavor, so every bite is as satisfying as the last. After freezing, the fries are automatically weighed and portioned by high-tech machines. These machines funnel the fries into specially designed bags that protect them from moisture and freezer burn, keeping them in perfect condition during storage and transport. The sealed bags are then packed into sturdy boxes, which are stacked and stored in enormous freezer warehouses. These warehouses maintain a constant, ultra-cold temperature to ensure the fries remain frozen and fresh until they're ready to be shipped out. From these warehouses, the boxes of fries are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and shipping containers. They're transported across cities, countries, and even continents, making their way to supermarkets, restaurants, and fast food chains all around the world. The journey from field to freezer is a marvel of modern food engineering, combining speed, precision, and quality control at every stage. Each step is designed to preserve the natural goodness of the potato while delivering the taste and texture people crave. Thanks to these carefully controlled processes, every bag of frozen fries arrives at your home or favorite restaurant fresh, safe, and ready to cook, guaranteeing that perfect, crispy bite every time. And that's how a humble potato, through a blend of science, technology, and a little bit of magic, becomes the world's favorite fry, enjoyed by millions, one crispy bite at a time.